Hi, this is Lauren on LSP Actions and I'm using the LSP Rainbow Spectrum Action Collection. This mini set has 10 rainbow actions for Photoshop. I'm going to switch over to button mode, and as you can see they're arranged in one-click order. I'm going to be showing you the rainbow dress paint vertical for this image. The box will come up asking you to drag and resize the rainbow to fit your dress. So I'm getting it roughly in place, and then I'm going to right click warp, and I'm going to use this to really start bringing the rainbow in. So I'm sculpting the rainbow to kind of suit the dress as best as possible, and then I'm going to hit enter, and this will carry on playing the action. This box comes up asking me to paint the rainbow on. As you can see, we have a few layers here, so I'm just going to start painting this rainbow now over the dress, taking care to avoid skin. I'm using a soft white brush on 100% opacity, 15% flow at the moment. I'm using a black brush to paint off the skin. You'll see you also have another layer here, add more colours. This one is good to kind of break out the pattern on the fabric a little bit, so I'm just going to add that there. Perhaps here. Anywhere else you want to kind of take some of those other tones away. You can add some subtle pastel over the top, make it more bright. You can change the opacity, you can do all sorts. So before and after. Great way to honour a rainbow baby in your shoots, and that's using the LSP Rainbow Action Collection.